light. What? It changes colors? Biz. What? Let's do party because I'm inviting you to my blue party. Wait. Hey Lash babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have 2 new products to share with you. That is why there's a party going on in the background. By the bloopers, you can see that I didn't know they had that effect. Like I said, I have come out with my own glue and my own pre-treatment for lashes, so I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. Again, I hate to have to, what do you call it? I hate to get on here and say like I'm sorry for shoving my products down your throat, but I mean I guess I'm not, because I'm trying to create my own brand. I'm working so hard at it. I'm not just gonna come out and throw crap to you guys, so that's why I feel like I need to chill and just be okay with showing you guys the hard work that I've been doing. I have tried glues beyond glues. I have tried glues beyond all the glues, you know? Like I just feel like I've done it, and I'm so happy with this one, like finally. But before we talk about the glue, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the pre-treatment. I don't know if you want to call this a primer. I want to say that the ingredients in here make this like a cleanser and primer in one. So if you're somebody, I know a lot of people are so diehard against primer, but I've been using it. I've been doing this. I've been doing the saline water cleansing, and it does have sodium salt or whatever. And I've been priming with this, which the ingredients are water, alcohol, propylene, glycol. Ignore my pronunciation. Phenixicissa, yeah, that one. Hydrolyzed collagen, allantoin. Anyway, I'll list all the ingredients right here because I'm chopping everything up. But this is what the packaging looks like. I'll go ahead and show you guys. It is 0.10 mils of product. I want to show you how I use it. So I do use it very sparingly. Like I'm saying sparingly. I'm going to show you right here in the video so that you guys can see. So I just barely touch a clean swab. You don't want to touch a dirty one. Barely. Like you just barely. I feel like that is the big problem that a lot of people have with primer. I feel like you think maybe more is good, but in this case less is more. And then you grab your other swab stick and you rub them together. And then once I have my clients, I usually have a bit under their head, so I tap both of them until I see just like a small dot, and then I go in and cleanse the lashes and prime them and get them ready. So just in case, because I'm pretty sure you want to see how it works. But yeah, this one is from Reallyprettylashes, my brand, and I did name it I'm Bananas, like EYEM bananas, you know, just because I's bananas, you know. Yeah, I mean it does have alcohol, but almost all primers have alcohol because it does need to dry out the lash. Honestly, before when I quit on all primers, I would use straight up alcohol on the lashes, just a little bit, to really like dry out the lash and use it as a dehydrator. That's what I do to fingernails when I'm doing when I'm doing acrylic sets. I do spray them with full like 90% alcohol, which I probably shouldn't, but it's my trick on like really sucking out all the moisture out of the nails and getting those acrylics to last. So I mean, you kind of need a little bit of alcohol. That is what the bottle looks like. Pretty simple. And it is called, again, like I said, I'm Bananas. Everything is on the website at reallypretty.bigcartel.com. if you do want to purchase it. There's a 10% off as soon as you place your first order. I would really appreciate it if you guys did support my small business. If you don't want to, I completely understand, because there's what, like a million brands out there? Yeah. Next, this is the glue that has been saving my life. In the last videos, if you guys saw, in most of them, a lot of girls had already had this on and their lashes were all there. I mean, one girl that I have specifically been trying this on, she did tell me after 3 weeks, like it was the day of her fill, She was the girl in the last video, and she had the black shirt on. And it was the last girl that I showed in the video of my vlog. And I'm gonna turn off those lights because ya no puedo. Stop partying, guys. Oh, you know what? We're gonna do that. So she was the one that I have been testing this on. She was such... I had a brain fart and I stopped saying what I was even talking about. She was asked on her 3 weeks right before she came in for her fill if she had just gotten her lashes done. And of course she was like, no, I have my fill appointment today actually. So that's a good sign. And I've completely lost track. So sweet to like let me do that. Yeah, honestly, the glue that I could compare this to, because I know maybe you're gonna have questions, you know, what would I compare it to? It is the Lashbox LA Superhero. It has the same exact consistency, same exact drying time. It dries super quick in 0.05 seconds, and it does really last. So I love glues that dry really fast. And I know a lot of you guys ask on like lash groups, what is the best beginner lash glue? And I feel like if you're gonna go ahead and do lashes, you need to start with something that you'll potentially stay with, because you're gonna get used to using that. Like, there's no reason to switch it up. Like, you might as well just go ahead and like head on straight into the glue that you should use. Glue, I did name it Volume Babe, as you can see there, just because I specifically have this for volume fans. Like I said, it reminds me, it's not exactly, it reminds me of Superhero in the sense that it's really thick, not super thick either. It's just perfect. Like, exactly, if you've used Superhero, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that is what I recommend. That's what yeah. I really didn't want to do a sensitive glue, but I do know a lot of people want a sensitive glue, so I'm still working on that. That's going to be a long time coming because I have tried a few and I just am not happy with them. It's very hard to find that sensitive glue that's going to work, but I am working on a clear glue. Yeah, and then so far I've had good luck. So there's a clear glue coming in the future, just a little heads up. But for now, you can go ahead and purchase Volume Babe. It is a 5 mil lash adhesive. Yeah, I will be sure to list all the humidity and all of that stuff here down below, so you can go check it out. And also I'll link it down below so you guys can go buy a glue if you want to try. You don't have to. But yeah, so that is it, guys. I just wanted to introduce to you my 2 little children. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so again, I will not be shoving anything down your throat. If you want to support me, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. This is something I've always wanted to do. I did post on my Facebook group chat like a little sad story, which I don't know, I was just here cleaning and I wanted to post something. Oh, I posted a video because in that little case, in that shelf, in that armoire, whatever you call it, I have all my I have my Lash brand like inventory. On top of the shelf, you can't see it, but it's a Sassy Lashes bag, and it's like a tote, and I had everything in there. Like, I had my envelopes, I had my like all my supplies that I am selling. And it's so funny because I wanted to share on there. I organized everything all cute, and I wanted to share on my Facebook group, the Really Pretty Lashes. I wanted to share my new little, you know, my growing inventory, because I went from one bag to a shelf. Stupid, I know. I'm gonna read it for you guys, and if you want to go join the group, you should definitely go join it. It's nothing but support there for you guys. That is what it looks like. It's called Really Pretty Lashes, and that's what it looks like. You should go join it. So this is the picture that I shared with you guys. Like, my little inventory is growing. So it says, hopefully I don't get emotional, because I'm emotional. I'm excited. Like, I know that it's gonna take a lot of hard work and a lot of work to try to get my brand even to start going, and I'm okay with that. Like, it's something I really want to do, and it's something that brings me happiness, because 2020 has not brought me any happiness. So my little inventory went from a small bag to now this shelf. It takes time, girls. It takes goals and dedication to grow things. Water those seeds and they will grow. let me tell you a tiny bit about my life. And I guess I'm sharing this because I want you guys to know about my life as well. It says, it has not been easy. I grew up not owning a bed till the age of 16. I know. I got pregnant at 18, had a beautiful boy at 19. He lived for 3 amazing years and left this world. My heart was crushed. I didn't see a purpose to live life. It's never been the same. I also had my daughter at 21. She was 1 when her brother passed away. His name was JJ. Is JJ. Don't be a little bit, I'm just kidding. It says, I then went on with life, got licensed, and been doing lashes for over 6 years. Makeup and nails more than 10 years. After some crazy relationships and abuse, I met my husband 2 years ago full-time. Oh wait, what? Full-time dad 2 years ago. Oh, as a full-time dad, and their mom is not involved in their lives. He is a single dad of 2. And I said, JJ, ironic. His son's name is JJ. Ironic that he has the same name as my son did, and Malia. They have been with us 2 years and now call me mom. My 14-year-old daughter accepted them, and we have 3 beautiful children. Annoying kids. that was just, I'm just making fun of them. In the last 8 years, I have lost my mom. Then my sister moved away, and my brother has never really wanted to talk to me. We're not that close. And then I don't really want to share on here, but just family problems. I said, I feel like, I don't want to share that, so you're going to have to go read that because it's something I don't want people to know. I mean, except on that private group. I said, it's a lonely world, that's for sure, and now I'm here, struggling, LOL. Doing all I can to grow this little business, and I will grow it because I have never given up on life. There were many bumps, but I would do it all over again because it molded me into the person I am today. Welcome to the group, to the Lash fam, where we can all escape this crazy world. I urge you to take the time and make this group a happy place. Tell us about you, share your story. I love listening, and if I can help you in any way, just ask. And yeah, so that is the post that I posted. I was like crying in my room because sometimes I'm not gonna get emotional. I put that pain aside, and I always try to, when my son passed away, my doctor right away, because I started having panic attacks, my doctor had me like focus on something. He's like, you need something, you need a hobby. And the first thing, like I had one little makeup bag of makeup, which this is going off on a whole story time. So if you want a video about my life, about my crazy, boring life, let me know, I'll do that for you. But let me just quickly finish the story. So I had a little makeup bag, and I had like maybe 10 makeup products, like nothing crazy. But I would always like to go look at makeup. Like that was my escape. And so then I figured out that I liked makeup and I wanted to do makeup and blah, 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 and so on and so on. So if you guys want to see a story about my, like, how I started and how life has been, let me know. I will be happy to make a story time for you guys. But that is it for this video. I just pretty much wanted to get on here and share my new babies with you guys. So I'm excited, and I hope you're excited as well to try them if you want. But there will be a restock really soon because these are very limited, so yeah. I kind of want to be chisty and not sell them. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so if you want to try it, go ahead and try it out. I would appreciate it so much. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.